This is the first revision of Module 1. So welcome here. Start the first session of modules revisions. So beginning in the second semester with Module 1, today and tomorrow. First of all, we have to concentrate and focus on both vocabularies and the most points of grammar. So the first issue we're going to speak about is how to use the vocabulary in both completing the sentences to be a meaningful sentence, and on the other hand, how to use the correct word in a sentence. Secondly, we have to distinguish between the grammar points concerning the future with both going to, will, and the present progressive. Okay, let's go to the first slide. Okay, here the important vocabularies concerning Module 1. We have batteries, keyboard, deer, mouse, whale, cursor, monitor, and bat. Of course, these are not the whole vocabularies in the unit, but the most important ones. Batteries, Now we're going to have focus on the meaning. Batteries, just I say, my batteries in the laptop are empty, so I have to recharge them. Recharge batteries. Keyboard, of course, the keyboard is an important input unit in the computer. You have to type by using the keyboard. Deer, deer is some kind of animals, eat plants. Deer have a graceful figure, they can run fast. Mouse, bat. Mouse, bat. There is a part of the computer. Well, of course, we know the animal, the big animal sea in the sea. A cursor, the cursor like this one, when I move the cursor to point to a specific word. Monitor, the screen or the data show that I could see the information, the data on it, the monitor. Bat, the bat is the soft thing that we put the mouse on in order to move it easily. So mouse, bat. Besides, we have some words here. They are very important also. Way, forward, reuse, leaflet, exit, rare, ruin. This will be very clear and obviously clear in completion the sentence according to the meaning by showing the next examples. Okay. Choose the correct answer. We have desert, polar bear, lights, plastic, paper. We have 4 sentences with 4 words. Desert, desert. So you know the meaning of desert. A large place, the empty with no trees. Okay, so there are specific animals that only can live in the desert. Yeah, very good. So which one? Yeah, we have to look here. Camels live in the. Very good. So desert will be the answer for number 4. So desert here is number 4. Camels live in the desert. Okay. Polar bear. This is a kind of animal that live only in specific areas in the world. Polar, from the word, you notice that it only can live in the polar regions. Regions means areas. So very good. Number one, polar bear lives in the polar regions. Okay, turn off that. Turn off when your mom, your dad, your teacher tell you to do that all the time. So turn off. Yeah, very good. Turn off the lights. So lights. Turn off the lights. Number three, put the newspaper in the newspaper. We have bin. Bin here is the like recycle pen. So we have two options, either to use plastic pen or paper pen. Yeah, so I think newspaper to be reused. After that, we have to keep it. Okay, keep it where? In the paper pen. Paper pen. This pen is only used for keeping paper. Okay. After that, we have these words, the most important words mentioned in the unit. So we have way, forward, reuse, leaflet, exit, rare, and ruin. This flower is very. You can only find it in Southeast Asia. So you can only find it. So only find it in the key answer for the word. Yeah. So very good. Number one, the flower is very rare. Very good. Excellent. So rare here is the answer. Okay. So rare here is the answer. I'm trying to write it, but it's okay, no problem. You know that. So rare here is number one. Okay, number two. I am really looking. So looking, we have the expression looking forward. Very good. So we use forward here for number two. I'm really looking forward to going to London. I hope the weather doesn't, very good, doesn't ruin our trip. Okay, doesn't ruin our trip to the beach. I hope the weather will be fine, okay, in order to go out. If you have got plastic bags, try to plastic bags, try to reuse them. Number five, these baby bears, what about kilograms? Of course, weigh. So weigh about 18 kilograms. After that, okay, so after that we are going to we have to the next one, the grammar that will be focused on here, the future with going to and the present progressive, and then must and have to. So the future with going to, we have to use going to, but we use before going to we have to use verb to be concerning in am and is or, and after to we have to use the infinitive of the verb. The present progressive, am, is, or plus verb plus ing. Okay, so here let's go. Do well, you help me with my project, I need help. So if you wanted to ask for help, we use well. Very good. So we use well. Here the answer is The answer is well. Okay, what about number 2? Were or will going to travel abroad? We are or we will. Of course, we use here are. Why? Because going is preceded by verb to be. Don't give Jack your bike. Why? He's breaking or he will break it. Break it. Yeah, very good. He will break it because I think he will break it. Okay, I think he will break it. What about? How about? You know, if we have this question word, how about we put also after it we put the verb plus ing. Very good. So let's go to the next one. What about must and have to? They are the same here. Okay, so we must or have all do something to protect the environment. Which one is correct? Yeah, have needs to, but so it will be okay if we use here. Yeah, very good. So we have to use must. You don't have to or you mustn't cycle on the park. Look at the sign. If we have here, look at what the sign. So the sign said you must or mustn't. So we have to use mustn't. We have got nothing in the fridge. You know, we have got nothing in the fridge. I have or I must to go. When I have to use have, so I have to put to. There is nothing to do with must because it's not followed by to. So we have to use I have to. Number 4, you don't have to or you mustn't take out the rubbish. I can do it. So here, I can do it. This is an offer to do the thing. So you don't have to. The lack of necessity, so it's not necessary for you to go and take out the rubbish. I can do it, so you don't have to. You have to or you had to brush your teeth after every meal. Brush, so you have to, because this is a must. Okay, not only you had to brush your teeth after every meal, but it is a habit. For habits we use present simple. Okay, until we meet again, thank you very much.